Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide view and profile on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, you'll need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, you can just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you have an iPhone, or any other store maybe if you're using some other store. Then, all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, log in into it and ignore all of that and let's just get started. So let me just launch my LinkedIn here. And as you can see, you'll find yourself here on your homepage. So after opening LinkedIn, all you want to do if you want to hide view and profile, just go and click at your icon at the top left corner of your homepage. Let me just click it again. And as you can see here, all you need to do, just go and select settings. Wait until it loads, and here you would like to go, as you can see, to your settings on privacy and click at visibility. Here in the visibility of your profile, all you need to do is just go and look for profile viewing option at visibility of your profile and network section. So if you click on that, as you can see here, selects what others see when you've viewed their profile. Of course, they can see your name and headlines, private profile characteristics, or private mode. You will be in complete private mode. Of course, the second option, someone in the information technology and service industry from Western Sahara, that means maybe they will saw at what company you're working on, or maybe not, you will not see your experience or something. And of course you can just let it public. And of course, as we said, if you want to hide view in your profile, all you need to do is just go and select the private mode. As you can see now, if anyone enter your profile, will not be able to view your profile. So if we just go back here and head to our profile by clicking at view profile, as you can see here, because it's my profile, of course I'll be able to see everything. But if someone is not maybe following me or connecting with me, or is stranger, of course he cannot be, or he cannot see my profile. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.